So this is a finished product of the Lapbook I recently finished for my cousin's birthday. I made a little boo-boo and put this on the front instead of the back where it's supposed to be, because I just wanted that Paris fabric to show through, but you live and learn and you move on. So we open it up. We have 2 pockets full of a bunch of goodies. Let's see. It's basically all the same paper. It's just some pet tapes, some washies that I have. So there's that. And I stuffed it all in this pocket. And now I don't want to act like it want to stuff back in here. And on this side, I just have some scraps that I felt went well with the journal, and some of the stuff from a printable by Victoria Designs that I printed out, and you know, my little papers and like sticker paper and stuff like that in here. Stuff I got from Thru, like the little quote pages. Okay, and then when you open it up on this side, you have a washi tape sample that comes out. So it's easy to use. I printed out several different printables. Mostly they're from Victoria Designs. It's like 3 different kits. It's a Paris kit, fairies, and just like, I can't remember what the other kit was. And I used some vellum as the cover. Usually I would decorate the covers, but I thought these looked so much prettier just this way. And then we have some more papers and stickers from like kits that I have, little paper, scrapbook paper things. And then when you get to this side, you have another one of those washi samples, a reusable sticker paper, where if you're working on something you want to quickly have some stickers available, you have this sheet. And again, I put more inserts, so altogether it holds 4 inserts, and I just love this paper right here. It's so pretty. And that's it. Like I said, there's the pocket that should have been on the back is on the front, and then I just used a ribbon for the closure. So even though I kind of messed up a bit, it's still pretty. I still like it. And there you have it.